Michelle Radley, dealer principal at Radley Cadillac. I'd like to personally invite you to come see what Radley has to offer and let us deliver a memorable experience to you.
Take a ride in the 2020 F-Pace. This vehicle is powered by a all-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 5.0-liter engine and comes with a 8-speed automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: driver adjustable suspension, ride control, power windows with safety reverse, headlight cleaners, traction control, stability control, front suspension type, strut, roll stability control, front suspension type, double wishbones, rear fog light, braking assist. Inside you'll find voice-activated navigation system, driver attention alert system, heated steering wheel, electronic messaging assistance with read function, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.